Hello again, guys. Here is Andrew Henry talking to you from my channel Art Theft. Today is a very strange and important episode for those who can draw the back muscles. I was one of you guys until I found a very cheating way to draw these back muscles. It was so annoying to me. When I was a kid, I watched this Todd McFarlane artwork from Daredevil, issue 241, I think. And this back muscles drawing actually annoyed me. How can I someday be able to draw such a thing? Very complicated and so hard to think where to start or where to end, how to calculate the mass and understand it to be able to tilt it up and down, left and right and such things. Until I came up with a theory and found it kinda cheating. This comic came up with this dude, so the cheating ways that I'll be telling you today is CVC. This is our magic word for today. The CVC. What is the CVC? The CVC, actually, here it is. Here is the C, the V, the C. It's flipped C, but it will get the job done to be able to figure this out. Here's our hero too, the Tiger Mask. The C, V, C. So now you are going to draw my back muscles? So easy. Let's try drawing them now. The CVC here, trying to apply this theory is kinda easy. C, V, so long. Here, end it here. And the C2. Alright? Well, let's start to add a line here. The split to the left and right side. And from the area that this C connects with this V, we're going to get a line here and get a line there. See? So easy. It looks like maybe an owl closing its eyes or something. After that, we close this. So here's the other side too. We add this part, and here we got our back. Again, C, V, C. Here we got the lines that split this muscles and split this one too. Here's this. And here. Two. We don't draw it like this. No, we get it a curvy line like this. Okay. Well, let's return to this mass and try to add details to it. It was always a very hard way to understand how the back muscles work and how we're going to draw them if you are a comic artist or a mangaka. It's very hard to keep in mind too much details about those muscles. So I had to figure a cheating way to draw that. Well, I'm making daily videos at this time, the coronavirus time, to help you guys overcome boredom and learn something new. Be able to, if you got some issues drawing anatomy, comic art, or manga, please send me your questions. I hope and I pray each day that this time will pass. I pray to Italy, China, other countries. I'm from Egypt, by the way, if you didn't know. Things right here I hope it's fine until now. We're going to judge if it's fine or no after the second week from the quarantine time that's around the world. Wish you are all safe, guys, and overcome this. Here's the back muscles in detail. Some of you may find it hard, some of you may find it very annoying to draw, but I hope I gave you a very basic, simple way to be able to understand the back muscles and be able to overcome your issues to draw the deep muscles and the superficial ones. It's so easy that way. After you can imagine and get a grip of the masses of the back muscles, you will be able to draw them and shade them whenever they're moving or whenever which scene you are drawing them. Please, right? I'm tilting it a bit. To the right. Of course, we don't draw all the muscles. Some artists raise this part, or raise this one, or this one. Some other raise this one. It differs from an artist to another when he calculate and get his own design of the back muscles. But he must know first the basics of the back muscles. So the CVC solves this issue. Remember, guys, the CVC. Thanks, guys, for watching. We are always trying to make something new together. I'm learning from you as you are learning from me. If you got any questions to ask about anything about drawing or animation or anything, I would be so happy to answer them. Feel free to send me on my social media links in the description. And stay safe, guys. Stay home. Thanks again for watching and goodbye.